companion. Look at him. Hey, cousin Eddie. What you got? They got my cousin. She fucking that shit up. She fucking that shit up. We at Low Country. They eating, so they can't lift their drinks. My food right here. I got full, y'all. Listen now. They fucking that shit up. He got a juice. Show them your bottle. Very cutesy. Aww. Girl, fix your face. We out here in these streets. Little piece. You irritating.
By the beast like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitches did it to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna call you and get a little maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time. I don't know if you know what you want.
Run the whole club and start jumping on me. Look, it's like GTA.
In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Good morning, y'all. It is currently 9:33 on Wednesday. I said Wednesday. 9:33 on. Oh, I just looked at something. I thought I'm like, wait, that's the day. I was looking at next week on the 6th. Yeah, today is the 30th, Monday. And I am currently sitting here popping my nails off for my nail appointment that's in an hour and a half. 33. I mean, my nail appointment is at 11 o'clock. And it's 9:33. And I'm popping my nails off because I text my nail tech and I told her that my nails were still on. And the only one that was like off was this one. Cause my nails off is because I left them on. I would have did it last night, but I didn't text her until this morning when I just got up. And I thought she would just go do like a color change. I thought she would just go like take the color off. Alright y'all, so all the nails are off. I'm about to go wash my face, brush my teeth now, and get ready to head out the door to my nail appointment. So I'm tired, y'all. That's all I really have to do today. I have my nail appointment at 11, and then I have my wax appointment is tomorrow. Y'all, I'm dangerous. I tried to squeeze. Let me pause this. I'm watching Die Hard with a Vengeance. It came on when I was watching YouTube videos yesterday. Y'all know how YouTube be having all the movies. That head came on yesterday after I had got done watching the video, and I just kind of kept watching it. It got Bruce Willis and Samuel L. Jackson. It's real good, y'all. It's funny as hell. I ain't gonna lie. It's funny because they funny. But anyways, what I was saying was I have my wax appointment at 12:45 tomorrow. So what I decided to do is, because my first client is at 9:15, then 10:15, then 11:15, then 12. And then I made my appointment for 12:45. So, and it's like right in the South Loop. So I should be able to just shoot down there, make it back in time for my 1:30 client. So yeah, very, very busy day tomorrow for New Year's Eve. And yeah, I low-key wanted to go get a fill-in for my lashes, but it's cool. It's all right. It's okay. But I'm gonna check in with y'all in a minute. I'm about to get ready to leave out. Hey y'all, so I am, as y'all can see, Maggie taking out my hair. It is right here. I'm trying to see if I want to save it in like down back black or something and use it for like another quick weave. I'm debating because there's some good hair. It's just I'm gonna have to get them I'm just have to get the glue off the left side. But yeah, here got my nails. I think I probably would have already inserted the clip. I always say that, but why am I doing that? As y'all can see, I did a quick weave, and you're supposed to wet it to take it off, but I literally lifted it and they just started like sliding off. I'm like, cool. So now all I gotta do is just cut off the closure.
$650. I'll have it in the next federal budget in 1957.
Ooh. See, y'all be cutting. Oh, that's the yeah. I hate when I hear the scissors cut hair. I'll be like, that's the first thing I instantly do. I instantly get to looking. Make sure I ain't cut no hair. Y'all ever watch Pursuit of Happiness? I love that movie. I love this movie because I'm watching it right now. It's definitely, when I say in my top 5, in my top 10 for sure, it probably is in my top 5. I don't really got too many favorites. Like, I got a lot of movies I like, but I don't got a lot of favorites. So yeah, I definitely say it's probably in my top 5 favorites for sure. I could say this, yeah, what y'all think? No. But these definitely I'm gonna put up. Yeah, I just got the shower. I am oiling. I feel like I got too many lights coming from each angle. I am currently oiling my hair. That look too dark. I just oiled the fuck out of my hair, y'all. Like, this be feeling so good. Let me know if y'all want like a shower or like night routine, like hair, all of that. I might just do it for y'all one day. Yeah, I'm oiling the fuck out my hair because it be feeling so good. Then I'm gonna blow dry it, then I might oil it again because I don't know why I just did that backwards. Because I washed it in the shower and I conditioned it. Whew. I conditioned it and washed it with my shampoo and stuff. Ooh, my hair's gonna be oily. I can go over this because I know your braid's supposed to go straight to the back when you got a frontal, but so they can like lay it down right. But hopefully I can finesse it, child. We go see. I don't know, cause if I can't get my hair done, that's gonna be diabolical. But we might be able to finesse it, y'all. Wait, I'm putting on. Her needs to be washed. She ain't that bad, but she needs to be washed. We just go buzz down, middle part her. I'm trying to see, do it like lay flat with my braids. Well, I can't really tell that from, we gonna see. Whew, fingers crossed, y'all. We gonna find out tomorrow. Cause I gotta try to finesse that. I ain't got no choice. Normally I'm prepared for New Year's, like prepared. At least hair done, some. But I didn't really plan on doing nothing this year, so I didn't really plan nothing. Now right now what I'm finna do before I get dressed is put together an outfit. And I might not do that on the vlog because it really might take a minute because I genuinely don't know what I want to wear. So, and I'm finna put my lotion and stuff on. Do my skincare. I'm not gonna show that. I showed that 100 times already and nothing changed. So yeah, I'll check in with y'all in a minute.
Place too is this one where somebody's saying, where can we shop for the men's?
I'm so tired. Yeah, I've actually been up since like 6. I've actually been up since like 6 o'clock. It is 8 on the dot, literally 8 on the dot. I've been up, I had, oh, it's a lash in my eye or something. So I had got up and like blow dry my wig because it was wet. Asia had washed it for me yesterday, but it was like wet because I told her not to put it under the dryer because the bottom don't be getting like all the way dry. But I had hand dried it for a little bit, but I ain't dried all the way fully. I let it dry the rest of the way. I'm gonna put it in my suitcase. Yes, I got a suitcase because I got my outfit in there. I got my shoes. I got because I got outfit options. I don't know what I want to wear. I didn't want to have my stuff inside of my book bag that I normally carry my clothes and stuff in. Then I had to put my wig in there. What else in here? My shoes, yeah, my jewelry case. Just because I didn't want to have to put it in what's the name? Like I got a purse in there, my face stuff, yeah, all type of stuff. But I'm gonna put the wig back in there. It's 8:02. I'm gonna try to at least get to the suite by like 8:45 so I can kind of like prep a little bit, wipe some stuff down, clean some stuff up, make sure I got everything I need. So yeah, we about to get ready for the day.
Thursday, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well,
yeah, that shit, I got that one.
girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, baby.
Digging for your dirty clothes, fucking house. I'm not telling your face. Like that girl who had that girl stuff laid out on the bed. She was like 3 different pairs of underwear. I'm like, bitch, you just sat there laid her underwear out and they dirty.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap. How the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up.
And them.
Type shit, real niggas in the house. Type shit.
Here's the fountain.
Hello, bitches!
Are you fucking kidding? Are you fucking kidding me?
Where are we?
Are they serious?
Chicago bitches.
Chicago bitches. Mwah. Y'all have a happy New Year.
Happy New Year, bitches!
Happy New Year, bitches! Good morning, y'all. It is January 1st, 2025, and I am starting my new year off at Starbucks. As I should. You hate it? Oh, thought you had something to say. You got something you want to say?
Cool, that's the girl that messed my makeup up.
Yeah. Let's go get it.
Yo, what you talking
Get it.
about?
I'm just Thank you. That's mine. Yeah?
Yeah.
You trying to snatch my...
Who the
Roll
fuck
it.
yelling?
Look at the dog. Look at the dog. Look at the dog.
Real. Super troll.
I want steak and eggs, but
Camera got to eat first. Y'all, our food just came. You good?
there's no New Year, Cheers to the new year, man. More wealth, man. Great health, good friendships, great relationships. Just continue to grow and improve, man. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's some me time. You know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my picture did the Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna call you and get a little maybe.
Alright, y'all. So, first of all, today is Sunday, January 5th. I'm not sure when this video is going to be up. It's going to be up for sure this week, though, y'all. I don't even know. Like, my vlog has been everywhere. The last time I actually vlogged and talked to the camera, I believe, was New Year's Day. Like, February 1st is great. January 1st was the last time I actually talked to the camera, I believe. I believe. Like, so this vlog will kind of be everywhere for real, because I think my last one was my Christmas vlog. Came on here real fast. I'm not doing nothing. I haven't done nothing since New Year's Day, which was the first 4 days ago, because my cycle started to Friday the 3rd, so 2 days ago, and I've been fighting for my life. Not one joke is being told. I have been fighting for my life for real. I am so tired. I don't know where to start. I don't even know what I'm doing. I am finna I'm finna unbox something for y'all that I'm so excited to unbox. I low-key wanna like change my room. I just had a moment because I was thinking about where I was standing, and I was like, dang, this would be better if it was over there. Anyway, we're about to do an unboxing, and I'm going to be recording for TikTok too if y'all see me showing the camera that's in front of me, just to let y'all know. Do not talk about my coverage that's on my door. I feel like I say that all the time. Yeah, my body hurt. I don't have no energy for real, and it's snowing outside. My phone camera looks so dusty. Alright, y'all, for real this time, because I don't like how this TikTok camera look. Is it the filter? We're about to do this unboxing. If you follow me on social media, you already know that I technically opened it already, but I wanted to show y'all me opening it for the camera. So yeah. But y'all, this is what I'm about to unbox. Y'all get the background. Y'all get the raw uncut. Because TikTok, I'm gonna have to keep stopping it and keep busting in. Let me do it over for TikTok alone. Y'all, I am about to unbox my very first Louis Vuitton bag. I am so freaking excited. If y'all see me looking over there, I'm recording for YouTube. This is what the box look like. Thumbnail, hold on. I forgot I'm recording. This is what she looks like. I play too much. Y'all. Do y'all see her? Hold on, let me put the dust bag down. Like, y'all. And we got, of course, we had to add on the scarf. Of course, yeah, we added on the scarf. Because the scarf and the, I can't talk, the scarf and the bag is sold separately, not together. So yeah. She is so pretty, y'all. Alright, y'all. Now I gotta edit that TikTok because, yeah. And I'm gonna put all this stuff back. Yeah. TikTok will be like, girl, that weekend unboxing. I feel like I should do it over. I think I'm gonna do it over. That'd be the best stuff. Cause it's not forced. So we gonna keep that video. I'll be back.